Good morning guys, in front of me is iPhone on iOS 16 and let me show you how to set app limits on this device. At first open the settings, then find and select screen time, and here you will notice app limits, mark it, and if you wish to set some daily limit for a particular app or from the whole category, just click here to activate it. Now just provide your passcode. And now you can smoothly personalize it. So, for example, if you wish to add limit, just click on add limit, then pick if it's for games, for example. So you can either mark particular games or the whole category, and this is what I would like to do. Then tap on next, and now let's set it for example 1 hour. Then you can decide if the games, like all games apps should be blocked at the end of app limit, or you can switch it off and then you will be just informed that you reach this limit. But let me activate blockade. It's the better option to control the time spent on screen. Then tap on add, and that's it. As you can see, it is added here. So also you can choose the custom time and custom days, so you can also apply on which day it is active. Here, as you can see, automatically I've got the bigger amount of hours allowed, but we can switch it to 1 hour also. Then go back. Actually, we are in camera, but if we will go to games, we'll be able to do the same thing here. Over here, custom days, and here you can smoothly do it. So that's it. That will be all. That's how you can set app limits. Obviously, you can choose whichever app or the group of apps you want. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.